we decided to go for a little walk on the nature trails. I figured you guys might want to come along with me, check it out. We're gonna have a good time, so sit back and relax, okay? That is so picturesque. Faith.
Yeah.
Didn't a little boy die under this bridge? Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. Isn't it? That's just real. Look, and on our nature walk we've found evidence of a tree losing to a beaver. It's pretty wild, isn't it?
Big hole.
We've stumbled across a little pond. Whoa, whoa, watch out for that.
Oh, crap.
It's overflowing. Look at a frog in his natural settings. Ian, chuck a rock at him. Faith, what are these strange markings on the trees?
They keep us on the path.
Oh my god. What ingenuity.
Wait, which way do we go?
Too many choices.
What's this way? What is?
Slugs.
Come move these slugs with a stick.
Yeah, they're eating a worm.
Disgusting.
Get over here. I'm turning this video into the nature trail, people. Let's go. They're gonna kill you. These people are tree huggers.
Branch is gonna hit you in the head.
I'm gonna hit you in the head. Let's go! Ian, what's the name of this trail?
I don't know.
Faith,
Okay, I've been on this one before.
do you remember what the name is of this trail?
No.
Oh. I think a boy died out here.
Dad, stop.
Whoa!
Whoa.
That is incredible.
Must be a lot of
Imagine the
worms.
force that it took to blow this enormous redwood down. Hey, we're on this nature walk, and we just found this hole in the ground. Some little animal or something lives in there. Look, I should give you a look. Shh. See it? See it right there? See it, guys? Let me move so you can see get the light there. Look at that. Oh, I got a bug on my head. See? That's pretty cool. Hey, Faith. Hey, Faith. Isn't this where that little boy drowned?
Yeah.
Why do you have to ruin all my videos? You're supposed to say, Dad, stop it. Ian, cut it out. Faith. Faith. Isn't this... I can't forget it. I can't do it. Let's go.
KIDBLOOD1.
Kid Blood 1. Subscribe, you degenerates.